Hello guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'll be showing you how to make money with Capital One Shopping Affiliate Program. So, if you want to make money from the Capital One Shopping Affiliate Program, well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that in few easy steps. Whether you're a blogger, influencer, or just someone looking to make some extra income, this guide will help you to get started. So, the first step is simply sign up for the Capital One Shopping Affiliate Program. In order to do this, head over to the Capital One affiliate page and apply. So, navigate to any browser on your PC or your mobile phone, go to the search bar, type in Capital One affiliate page, hit enter, then scroll down and make sure you navigate to this link that says refer a friend. Credit cards capitalone.com. Make sure you click on this link and not any other links. So, after you click on that link, you'll be on this page. Now, if you're approved, you will get access to exclusive affiliate links and banners to share with your audience. Once you're in, it's time to promote. So, as you can see, you'll have to click on sign in to invite friends and you'll be on this page where you'll have to basically enter your username and password, then click on sign in and you'll be taken over to your Capital One page where you will get your affiliate link. As you can see, there are 3 steps: sign in, share, and get your bonus. Continue to your account to get your personalized link, then send the link to your friends and family and your bonus will automatically appear in your account. Now, everything you need to know about Capital One affiliate links is just down here. You can see how does Capital One card referral program work. The answer is here. The first step is to sign into your account to get your personal referral link. Now, share that link with friends. If they are a new Capital One card holder and get approved using your link, you will earn a bonus for each friend approved. You can also find your link in the mobile application. So look for the refer a friend tile on your account details page. Now once you're in, it's time to promote. Use your unique affiliate links to encourage your audience to install the Capital One Shopping extension or the app. These links will track when someone signs up through your recommendation. And that's how you earn commissions. Now, why should people use Capital One Shopping? Well, the app finds the best deals and applies automatic coupons and saves you money while shopping online. You will want to highlight these awesome features in your content, whether that's through blog posts, videos, or social media. Creating helpful content is the key. Write a review, make a tutorial, or even share shopping tips on how to save money with Capital One Shopping. The more valuable content you create, the more likely your audience will click those links and sign up. After you share your links, it's time to track your success. The Capital One Shopping affiliate platform provides a dashboard where you can see your clicks, signups, and commissions. Keep an eye on your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. And that's it. By promoting Capital One Shopping and sharing your affiliate link, you can start earning commissions today. So, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.